Alright. Alien Isolation. Load game. Load current save. That's where I'd have no idea how to do any of this stuff anymore. Yeah. I think we were in the space station.
I remember we did the thing where it was like a flashback to the Nostromo.
Shh, start whispering. Start whispering right now. It's loading. Why are you not whispering? Turn off the lights. We have one light on. It's just really bright. If we turn the lights off, you wouldn't be able to see us. It'd be too dark. Oh God, it's here. Okay. I don't even know what to do. I don't. Oh, you run! How do you run? This is a terrible part. This is a terrible spot to start at. This is terrible.
I don't know how to do anything.
What? I didn't even know how to run. It's like, welcome back to the game, bitch. Damn. Fuck. Your turn. Good luck. Do you want to commentate?
No, I
No.
wouldn't. You commentate while I try to
Okay.
figure out the game.
Alright.
I don't remember how to do it.
Gotta be. Shh. Shut up. How do you crouch? Can you peek? I want to say you can peek. Like I think you can lean. Right thumbstick to crouch. Oh, it's there. I don't know why I'm about to start laughing. I just heard you say, "Oh no!" Oh. Really? Oh God, this is a great start.
That's me.
Oh, this is all 360 now. This is on Xbox One. This is a great start. I get killed right away. Hellfire's hiding and then sneezes. Just needs to end live, yes. You good? You good? You know?
Shut up. Okay, I found out pushing right trigger
Alright.
to crouch.
Right trigger?
Or the right thumbstick.
Alright. Right thumbstick, crouch.
Right trigger is to hit.
Right trigger's a hit.
So I don't know what anything else was, because I didn't really find
Alright.
out. Because you have to hide almost immediately.
I know, he just comes out right away.